video, I'm going to share with you my thoughts on NVIDIA's stock performance and future potential. Let's get into it. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Iggy here, and as you know, I've been covering topics such as stocks, finance, CPF, and basically everything related to growing your wealth. The Investing Iguana is featured and ranked 8th in the 2023 Influential Tigers by Tiger Brokers, with over 800,000 reads. I've also covered over 600 videos and over 280,000 watch hours as of November 2024. Today we're diving into a hot topic in the tech world, NVIDIA's incredible stock performance and its future prospects. NVIDIA has been on an absolute tear lately. We're talking about a mind-blowing 2,100% increase over the past 5 years. That's not a typo, folks. 2,100%. It's the kind of growth that makes investors weak at the knees. But the question on everyone's mind is this rocket ship out of fuel, or is there still room to soar? Let's break it down. NVIDIA has positioned itself as a key player in the artificial intelligence revolution. They're not just along for the ride, they're in the driver's seat. Their GPUs, or graphics processing units, are the engines powering AI models across industries. We're talking cloud computing, finance, healthcare, you name it, NVIDIA's probably there. Now you might be thinking, Iggy, that's great and all, but what about the numbers? Well, buckle up because NVIDIA's financials are as impressive as a perfectly grilled satay. Their most recent quarter saw year-over-year revenue growth of 94%, hitting $35.08 billion. Earnings? They're up 111% year-over-year. That's the kind of growth that would make even the Marina Bay Sands look small. But here's where it gets really interesting. NVIDIA is sitting pretty with an 80% market share for its products. That's like owning 80% of all the chicken rice stalls in Singapore. You're basically running the show. And with the increasing demand for AI technology, NVIDIA's graphics cards are becoming as essential as easy link cards for commuters. Speaking of demand, there's a GPU shortage on the horizon. It's like trying to book a table at a popular hawker center during lunchtime. Everyone wants in, but there's only so much to go around. This supply-demand imbalance is music to NVIDIA's ears. As long as companies are scrambling for AI chips, NVIDIA's stock should remain as strong as Copio. Now, let's talk margins. NVIDIA is estimating a 73% GAAP margin for the fourth quarter. That's higher than the humidity in Singapore on a hot day. It's a high-margin business, and as an investor, that's exactly what you want to see. But is NVIDIA's wild ride over? Not by a long shot. They're expanding into new areas faster than Singapore is reclaiming land. We're talking supercomputers in Denmark, AI platforms working with big telecom players, and even powering the brains of new Volvo SUVs. NVIDIA is spreading its wings, and the sky's the limit. Looking ahead, Wall Street analysts expect NVIDIA to finish fiscal 2025 with $2.95 per share. That gives it a forward PE ratio of about 47 times fiscal 2025 earnings. Now, I know what you're thinking. Iggy, isn't that a bit pricey? Well, let's put it in perspective. Tesla is trading at almost 100 times earnings, and Kava, a stock I'm quite fond of, is over 300 times earnings. Suddenly, 47 times doesn't seem so bad for a company dominating the AI chip market. So, what's the bottom line? NVIDIA isn't just riding the AI wave, they're making the surfboard. The company's best years are likely still ahead. The demand for AI is growing faster than Singapore's skyline, and NVIDIA is right at the center of it all. Now, I'm not saying NVIDIA's stock will see another 2,100% gain in the next 5 years. That would be like expecting to win Toto every week. But I do believe there's still significant growth potential. The AI revolution is just getting started, and NVIDIA has positioned itself as the go-to chip provider. Of course, investing always comes with risks. The tech sector can be as unpredictable as Singapore weather. Competition could heat up, or we could see a slowdown in AI adoption. But given NVIDIA's strong market position, impressive financials, and the overall trajectory of AI, I believe the potential rewards outweigh the risks. Remember though, I'm just one iguana in a big financial jungle. Always do your own research and consider your personal financial situation before making any investment decisions. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, even if that basket is as tempting as NVIDIA. If you guys enjoyed this video, then you're going to love my video, which major US assets perform best in the last 3 rate cuts. In that video, we explore the key players, market trends, and potential investment opportunities in this crucial sector. It's the perfect companion piece to our NVIDIA discussion, giving you a broader perspective on the tech landscape. Thanks for tuning in to the Investing Iguana. Until next time, keep growing that wealth, and remember, in the world of investing, sometimes you've got to think like an iguana to catch those juicy financial flies. See you in the next video.